Nick and Emma. Conversation number 1. The importance of learning a new language.
Hi, Emma. I've always been curious. What languages do you speak?
Hello, Nick. I speak English and Arabic fluently. How about you?
That's impressive. I speak English and I'm learning French. I find languages fascinating.
They truly are. Being bilingual or multilingual can open so many doors, don't you think?
Absolutely. It's not just about communication, but also understanding different cultures.
Exactly. Each language gives you a new perspective on life. How's your French coming along?
It's challenging, but I'm making progress. The grammar is quite different from English.
Keep at it. I found watching movies and reading books in the language really helped me.
That's a great tip. I'll definitely try that. Thanks, Emma.
Anytime, Nick. Good luck with your French.
Nick and Emma. Conversation number 2. Meeting between two friends.
Hey, Emma. I was thinking we should meet up to discuss the project. What do you think?
Hi, Nick. That sounds like a great idea. When do you have time?
How about this Friday afternoon? I'm free after p.m.
Friday works for me. Shall we say around 3 p.m. then?
Perfect. 3 p.m. it is. Where shall we meet?
Let's meet at the downtown coffee shop. It's quiet and ideal for discussions.
The one next to the library, right?
Yes, that's the one. They also have that amazing caramel.
Oh, you remembered. Looking forward to it, Emma.
Me too, Nick. I'll bring all the necessary documents. See you then.
Great. See you on Friday. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Nick and Emma. Conversation number 3. Talk about Amed. He got a new job.
Good morning, Emma. Have you seen Amed lately? I heard he started a new job.
Hi, good morning, Nick. Yes, I have. He's now working at a tech startup and seems really excited about it.
That's wonderful news. Do you know what his role is?
He's been hired as a software developer. He always had a knack for coding, so it's a perfect fit. Indeed, he's very talented. We should plan a get-together to celebrate his new position. I agree. How about we organize a surprise dinner for him this weekend?
Great idea, Emma. Let's do it. At that Italian restaurant he loves.
Perfect. I'll make the reservations. Should we invite the rest of the gang?
Absolutely. I'll create a group chat, and we can coordinate there.
Sounds good. I'm sure Ahmed will appreciate seeing everyone.
Definitely. It's been too long since we all caught up. Thanks for helping with the plan, Emma.
No problem, Nick. It's going to be a fun evening. See you then.
Nick and Emma. Conversation number 4. Asking a direction. To the library.
Excuse me, Emma. I'm a bit lost. Could you help me find the way to the library?
Of course, Nick. Which library are you looking for? The city has several.
I'm looking for the Central Library. I was told it's not too far from the park.
Ah, the Central Library. Yes, it's quite close. Do you see that tall building with the green dome? That's the City Hall. The library is right behind it.
Oh, I see it now. So, I just head towards the City Hall?
Exactly. But there's a bit of construction going on in that area, so you'll need to take a detour. Walk straight down this road until you reach the fountain, then make a left.
Got it. Walk to the fountain and then left. What do I do after that?
You'll see a coffee shop on the corner. It has a bright red awning. Can't miss it. Right after the coffee shop, there's an alley. Take that alley, and it will lead you straight to the library's side entrance.
That sounds simple enough. Walk past the coffee shop, take the alley, and I'll be at the library. Is it a long walk?
Not at all. Shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. The alley is a shortcut, so it's faster than the main road.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help, Emma. I'm new in town and still figuring out my way around.
No problem at all, Nick. Welcome to the city. If you need any more help, don't hesitate to ask. The library staff are very friendly and can help you with directions to other places too.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks again, Emma. Have a great day.
You're welcome, Nick. Enjoy your time at the library.